This is a regular Sea Terrace room. Pretty much like the XL. And of course you have the wonderful hammock. The bathroom is very tiny. Basically you have to do this to open the door to get into the shower. And it does have a rain and a wand, but there's very little room to turn around.